This is Steve with Control Shift Piano. In this piano tutorial, we cover how to play Fix You by Coldplay. If you like what you see, please take a moment to click like and subscribe. Okay, so as you can see, we have our piano template placed directly on top of the piano keys, and the black and white lines on the piano template match up perfectly to your real piano keys. That's the key to using the piano template to play this song and make it simpler. We're going to start playing the song at the bottom of the piano template. We're going to play the piano keys that match those green A's right there. So let's do that right now. All right, now we'll play the green 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we're going to play those red B's and the blue C's. Now we'll play the blue 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the yellow D's at the very top. And that's it for the first part. Now there are 6 piano templates in this set, so let's go ahead and play the second piano template. All right, now on the second piano template, same process. Start at the bottom of the piano template. Pull your fingers from the piano template directly to your piano keys, and you can't go wrong. So we'll play the piano keys that match the green E's. Green 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red F's. Blue G's. Blue 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we play the yellow H's at the top. All right, now we're ready to move on to the third piano template. Bottom of the piano template, play the green I's. 1, 2, red J's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blue K's. Blue 1, 2, 1, 2. Yellow L's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green M's. 1, 2. Red N's. Red 1, 2. And the blue O's at the top. At the very bottom, we'll play those green P's. 1, 2. Q's. Red 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, blue R's, blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yellow S's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, green T's, 1, 2, U's, 1, 2, 3, 4, V, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yellow W's, and we finish the song here. 1, 2, 3. Here we go again at the end of an awesome piano tutorial. I know you're looking for more information. How can you get a piano control template such as this? Go to the website controlshiftpiano.com, and you're going to find a community of people just like you that want to play piano and have fun. So go to the website controlshiftpiano.com. Until next time, you can only control what you can control. Take control of your life. Take control of your piano. Control Shift Piano.